So if I was earning like around like let's say 1.2 million every month, so which type of cars would you recommend for me?
How much?
1.250.
1.2. I recommend this Toyota Corolla to you.
This one, I like this one.
Which one?
This one.
No, not this red one. I mean this particular one.
Why not this one?
Because this one is actually a 2017 model, which is actually higher than this, which is a 2016 model. You understand? So this is going for around 17.5, 18 million. Sometimes it gets to 19 million, but we always offer good deals. That's why you get it lower than that. Then this is the 2016. You can get this for around 15.5 million naira. You can get it if you're lucky. You can get it for 14 million naira. Then also this one, this car. This car is magical. This car is magical. This is a 2017 Kia Optima. This car, anybody that knows this car already knows that this is a very very good one. And this one now you can get it for around 16 million naira. This is a Mini Cooper. This car is usually very expensive. I honestly don't know why it's expensive. Sometimes it goes around 30 million. You can still get it for lesser. Then this Hyundai GT. Okay, we'll get to that. Then this one is a 2015 Range Rover Evoque. This one, women love this car so much. I've never seen a man driving this car. For a
So for
while.
your wife,
For your wife, yeah?
yeah,
Yeah,
how
and the
much?
price is very good. It's around 25 million naira.
It's
You
around
can
or
get
it
it.
is.
It's around.
So like,
This one in particular is 24.5 million naira.
oh my days.
24. We offer good deals now. Then the Elantra GT is also available. The price is around 14 million,
So with
but with
my
us you can get it cheaper.
with my 1.250 monthly,
Monthly, yeah.
can I use 1 year and buy this Elantra?
How much are you looking at to spend in general? Your budget?
15 million.
15 million. Yeah, you can look at the. You can also get this. You can
Okay,
also
you
get this.
still give me
Yes,
like fuel and some
yes,
things.
yes.
You
This
give me
one is
fuel for how
very,
many
very,
months?
very, very fuel efficient.
How
This
many
one,
months will you give me fuel for?
me give you fuel.
Yes, with the 15 million now.
That one is your pocket. That one do your pocket. Then this one is a 2018 Camry SE. Is actually a foreign used, as you can see. Is you think it's a black color, but this is actually blue. Then the interior is black.
So it's metallic blue then.
Yes. 2019 on belt actually, and this car came in this year. Super clean Camry SE. It looks like black, but it's actually a blue. Then we'll come here. Take a look. This one is the Camry Muzzle. 2014. This one you can get it
So
around
so basically,
yeah.
this is what someone that earns 1.250 should drive.
Yes, and it's very fuel efficient with its pop plugs engine, so you don't have to worry about it. And the maintenance is very low. You don't have to worry about that. This one too is a Toyota RAV4. It's quite on the high side for someone earning 1.2. Yeah.
On my days.
Yes, it goes around 25 million, 24 million. If you're lucky, you can get it for.
But do you guys do financing?
Yes, we do financing. We work with
Auto check.
on the finance. You can work on that if that's what you want to do. And we almost missed this one, the Mercedes Benz C300. Mercedes Benz C300. Most people don't like this car because it's four plugs. Most people don't like this car because it's four plugs, so they want to go for the C450 because it has a. Come and see the interior. Come and see this interior. Let me open the engine so you see what it looks like. This one is a 2015, 2016 four plugs engine. As you can see, super clean. It's almost a brand new car. Almost a brand new car. Super clean. I can get this for around 27, 28 million. If you want to get this car, things you should check: the engine, because the engine is always smooth. So if you are buying this car, you need to check the engine first of all. Make sure there's no knocking sound or anything like that. Take a look at this interior. See how the interior dey shine. And this one is the full option. As you can see, keyless entry, panoramic roof, sweet black interior, full panoramic roof. Sweet car comes with the reverse camera, panoramic roof,
How much is
keyless
this?
entry. This is 28 million.
Why is it so expensive?
It's usually expensive for its grade, because you can see it came
What's the
in this year.
mileage?
Should be around 41,000 mileage. Should be around 41,000. So I think I check
What are you checking, fam?
this. Have you ever seen this car in the mechanic?
No.
Have
Why?
you ever seen this car in the
How
mechanic?
much is it?
This is a 2014 Lexus ES 350 2GR engine, V6, 3.5 liters. This car dey fly and the engine no dey spoil. So you know. Try to open it from that side so you see what the interior looks like. This is locked. Wait, hold on. Let me try to open it for you. 2GR engine, has a sports mode, economy. This car dey fly. Comes with sunroof. 2014 Lexus ES 350. Anybody that has this car can already give a testimony about it. It's very good. Then ultimate, the ultimate 2018 Honda Accord comes with the carbon fiber windows. This you can get for around 28 million naira, depending on its condition. You understand? Depending on its condition. Then this is the 2021 GX, Lexus GX 460. This car is super expensive.
This is
Super
one politicians
expensive.
like.
These are all the politicians and the doctors. Actually, doctors also like,
Doctors like this car.
and your pastors.
Pastors, who's buying it for them?
Your pastors, they are buying it by themselves with their money.
With whose money?
With their
Hey, good.
Then this is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350. This one is actually the fullest option. As you can see, it has the panoramic roof. Also comes with the keyless entry. And this, take a look at the interior. Go from that side. Take a look at the interior. This interior is actually, no, this is not the E350. This is the E400 2015. 2015 Mercedes-Benz E400. As you can see. As you can see, comes with 41,000 mileage. As check the interior now, make you see. Make you see something. This car is not your regular. It's not your regular. Take a look at the engine. This car will dust your AMG. Don't even play. To dust your AMG. Almost brand new. 2015 Mercedes-Benz E400.
Dearly
Almost brand
used.
new. And it came in this year. It hasn't been used now.
Dearly used.
Nah, they never use them.
From factory.
At all. Nobody used that car.
How did mileage go up for 1K?
This one is a 2021 Hyundai Elantra. 2021 Hyundai Elantra. With this car, every day is Valentine. As you can see, the red. Look at the back of this car. Take a look at the back of this car. That one there is an Avalon. Come, let me show you this car. Come. You see, after the Toyota Avalon, this is where Toyota landed. 2023 Toyota Crown. For the people that have the 2008 of this car,
Don't worry.
no worry. It's actually locked. Come show them the front of the car. 2023 Toyota Crown. After the Avalon, this is where Toyota came to. Well, let me show you. So this right here is a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 going for 38 million naira. Then this is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML 350. This car has just 30,000 mileage on this car and is going for 28 million naira. This one, 2020 Lexus RX 350 F Sport with red interior. This car was mistakenly registered, almost brand new, has just 47,000 mileage. This one is going for 45.5 million naira. This one is a 2017 Lexus RX 350, 40,000 mileage, going for 50 million naira. This one is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, and this one is almost brand new. Almost brand new. This one has just 20,000 mileage on it and it's going for 95 million naira. This one, Mercedes-Benz C450. This one is after the people that don't like the C300, they go for this one. This one is 45 million naira. Toyota Avalon 2016 Touring. This one is going for 27 million naira. Honda Civic Touring. This one is going for 37 million naira. Another Mercedes-Benz C450. This one has a mileage of 47,000 mileage on it, going for 45 million naira. And if you are looking for trucks, we also have trucks here. We have the Hilux, we have the Toyota Fortuner, Build Your Dream, also available. Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, Suzuki with 30,000 miles, brand new. No, scrap that one. Range Rover Vela,
Right.
very sweet car. This one has just 30,000 mileage. The Fortuner, we have the Mercedes-Benz ML 350. This one, I'll give this one for 26 million naira. This one is a 2017 Toyota Corolla with this one has 30,000 miles on it already. I'll give that one for 17 million naira. Honda Accord 18 million naira, low mileage. Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. This is actually the cheapest GLE 350 in Abuja right now in Nigeria. This is going for 28 million naira. It's actually foreign use. I need money. That's why I'm letting this one go for that price. So here we are. This is my office, and we have whatever it is you're looking for. I promise you, whatever it is you're looking for, we have it. Just send me a DM with the car you want, your budget. I'll work on it. So like and subscribe, because you know what? The ship is on the ocean. It's coming. More goods are coming. More cars are coming. So that car you're looking for, even if it's not with us today, is on its way to us. Send a DM. Do you want to see this 2020